The TriCom Tactical Clinch Module is appropriate for anyone looking to enhance their all-around ability to prevail in a self-defense situation, whether you're an experienced martial artist or completely new to self-defense training. This course is focused on the tactics that dictate winning in the clinch, how to safely enter, how to dominate within, then how and when to exit. In addition, the learning material assumes that street-level engagements happen within a potentially weapons-based environment. These weapons may be carried by yourself or by your opponent. The Tactical Clinch module equips students with the ability to dictate and dominate these dynamics, while allowing you to optimize all possible tactical considerations. It doesn't take a lifetime of training to learn some functional survival skills from the clinch, and we believe the TriCom Tactical Clinch program will help you get the most essential skills necessary. We hope you'll join us.